Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set your favorite video as a live wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen. So, let's get started. First, you'll need a free app from the App Store. Once the App Store open, search for intolive.live wallpaper app. Find the app and install it. When the app installed, open it. On the home screen, tap on Live Wallpaper. This will open your video library. Now, select the video you want to turn into a live wallpaper. Here's an important thing to know. iPhones don't support full-length videos as live wallpapers. So, the app will ask you to trim the video. Use the sliders to select a 1 to 3 second clip from the video. Choose the best moment you want to see on your lock screen. Once done, tap Done at the top. Now you'll be taken to the editing screen. Here, you can add text, stickers, or make small adjustments if you want. When everything looks good, tap the Export button at the top. This will convert your video into a live photo that your iPhone can use as a wallpaper. Next, open the Photos app. Find the live photo you just saved. Tap the share icon at the bottom right, then select Use as Wallpaper. Make sure the live photo or motion effect is turned on. This is what makes the wallpaper animated. Finally, tap Add or Set. Choose Set as Lock Screen, and you're done. Now, lock your phone, tap or press on the lock screen, and enjoy your animated live wallpaper. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.